All right, I'm gonna make a video here for this receiver and transmitter for my camera. This is my Sony camera, but this is the transmitter that I purchased here off Amazon. And it said it works with the CX405, and this is the camera I got right here. It's the Sony right here. It's the CX405. If you can see right there, like I say, I'm gonna try to make this video without editing this thing. So I'm gonna show you how it works with this camera. This is what comes in it. You got some instructions and they're very hard to see. I don't know where this thing come from, China, but these instructions real small if you open it up. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to set this thing up and how it works. And this, it comes with this transmitter and no batteries are included in this. So you need 2 AAA batteries for this, and you need 2 AAA batteries for your receiver. And it comes with this plug here. And I don't know all the technical terms for these different types of plugs, but it do work with this camera, and I think it works with all these other cameras. And I'm gonna put it in the description below on which cameras that this transmitter and receiver works with. And it also have some little things you put on your transmitter. But first, what you want to do is go ahead and install your batteries. You see the spring part right here. Your negative always goes to the spring. So you want to put the negative in, flop it in. Put the other one, where's the spring? And it shows it on there, negative or positive. This is flat side is your negative. You put it on. I'm gonna just turn it on, make sure I did. That lets me know I put it in correctly. So I'm gonna turn it back off. Put that cover on. I'm gonna put the battery, AAA batteries in this one. And this right here, it tells you right there, it's your transmitter. And I'm gonna just turn this on, make sure I got my batteries in right. All right, it's good. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is you want to pair this thing, because if you plug it in right now to your camera, it's not gonna work. I had to figure that out from experience. But on here, it tells you how to pair it. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Know if you can see there where it says pairing. And I'm gonna walk you, it's really easy to do. It says first, turn the power on to the transmitter. Then you wanna press and hold the video record button, and then turn your power on to your receiver, and it should flash back and forth, the green and red. Come on, let me do this for you. So it say first, we wanna take this transmitter, okay? And once you got the transmitter, you want to turn your power on. Turn your power on. Once power is on, you want to press this record button right here. And once you press and hold the record button, you want to turn the receiver on, okay? Once I turn the receiver on, you see the light should blink back and forth. Green, red, green, red. That lets me know it's now paired. So whenever this light is blinking back and forth, it's paired now. So I'm gonna let it loose, we paired. So if I click the button, you're gonna see the green light blink. That means we're paired. So to make sure you paired, just click and hold it. And when that light blink back and forth, red, green, you're good. Okay, let's see how it works with the camera now. So we got the receiver, and it only fits one way. See this plug here? It plugs into here. And then on your camera, on this camera I got, This right here is the CX405. And all the rest of them are pretty much the same. And this is an old camera, it's cheap. If you want one of these, you look in the description below. This is a good starter camera. I've had this one for about 2 years. But you open this part right here. And then you want to take this in, and it only fits one direction. And you put it in the slot, make sure it clicks. There we go, it's all the way in. So I'm gonna put this down here, and we're gonna open up the camera. And you could mount this somewhere on your camera. I'm gonna just put it right there for right now. I'm just showing you a quick video. And you see I'm gonna open this window. And I got my receiver in this hand right here. We're gonna zoom outside. I'm gonna hit the record button. As you can see, it's recording. And I'm gonna zoom in and out. See that? So it works great. And I don't know what distance you can be. You can go 100 feet, I'm not for sure. I'm pretty sure some videos out there, I don't need it that far. But I'm gonna lay it down. And I don't know if you can see that or not. But I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna go back about, I'm here about 12 feet. And I'm gonna hit the button now. Okay, it did work. I'm 12 feet. I'm pretty sure you can go a longer distance. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I'm seeing. Let me move my camera. Okay, so I'm gonna back up 12 feet again. And I'm gonna hit this button, the zoom button. This is while it's recording right now. So it's working great. All right, cool. And when you finish recording, you can just hit that little record button right there and stop. So I'm gonna hit the stop. You're gonna notice it stopped recording. If you want to take pictures, still pictures, this right here button, let me zoom back in. This here button right here is to take a picture. So I can click it. It took a picture. Click it again. Click a picture. And what this is, it says lock. You see that? If you don't want to accidentally take pictures, just slide that down. Okay. Now if I push it, no pictures. So it's locked, so I can't take any pictures. So if I want to unlock it, now I could take pictures. So this is the power on and off button. I'm gonna power it back on. If I want to turn it off, I just hit the power button again and it turns it off. That's it. It works great. And I got this because I got tired of reaching over and trying to hit the button and then get back in place, and it didn't work good for me. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. And power it back on.